Euclid Book 1 Proposition 17. Euclid instructs you to draw a triangle, ABC. And then he says, I want you to extend out line BC to point D. And then he says that if you added up any two angles, let's say you added up BAC and ABC together, and we're talking about number of degrees here, we're measuring angles, alright, it doesn't matter whether this angle here is like 90 degrees, 80 degrees, 50 degrees, doesn't matter. If you added up ABC and BAC together, it would be less than 180 degrees. And Euclid clearly states, because he doesn't use those kind of measurements, he's saying that if you add two interior angles together, it will be less than two right angles. So, of course, we know the two right angles is 180 degrees. Alright, here's how he proves this. He says that angle ACD is an exterior angle. And because of Proposition 116, it's bigger in size than this angle right here, which is ABC. And then he goes on to say that the total of ACB and ACD is 180 degrees. Because you have two adjacent angles here, ACB and ACD, and if you add those two adjacent angles together, they come up to 180 degrees. Now then he says, if you were to add ACB and ABC together, you would get less than ACB and ACD. And the reason for that goes back to Euclid's Proposition 15, where he says that two adjacent angles added together would form a straight line, where in this case it wouldn't. Of course, you've already said that the total of ABC is less than ACD because of Euclid 116. So, therefore, if you were to add two interior angles together, which would be ACB and ABC together, it would still be less than the total of two right angles, which are 180 degrees. Alright, that's all I got to say for that. I will tell you more in a future video, so stay tuned.